Happy New Year, because it's 2025 now. In March, my channel will turn, guess what, it's 10 years old. Blimey. That's in March. Upcoming in February. Bang! That's in February. January, we start off normally. So, oh my god, I'm back again. Stand a bit closer. This station is Waterloo. Change here for Bakerloo, Jubilee and Waterloo and City Lines and National Rail services. Oh, okay. Tottenham Court Road. Tottenham Court Road. Yes. One very dirty train.
This station is Waterloo. Change here for Bakerloo, Jubilee and Waterloo and Hampstead.
Okay, sit there then.
Exit for Riverboat services from Waterloo here. This is a Northern Line train terminating at Edgware.
Go Edgware.
For Bakerloo, Circle and District lines. Exit for Riverboat services from Embankment here.
Stay here, I just need to do something.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stay here, I just need to do something. It was a video series where I visited Mind the Gap.
Mind the Gap.
Perfect.
Mind the Gap train at platform.
I only said
Use
twice.
all available to board this train. This is your Edgware service. This train is ready to depart. Stand clear of closing doors, mind look.
We're a video series where I decided to visit the stations from when it very first opened. Now I'm back to do the last one. Charing Cross Euston and Hampstead Railway. Charing Cross branch of the Northern Line. I may have time to do the 4 subsurface lines, but if not...
The next station is Charing Cross. Change here for Bakerloo Line and National Rail services.
I'll be back here in a minute.
Upon arrival, the first
Set of doors will not open. Customers in the last carriage, please move towards the front door to leave the train. This station is Charing Cross. Charing Cross.
Change here for Bakerloo Line and National Rail services.
Up until 1979, the Jubilee line as well.
This is the Northern Line train terminating at Edgware.
Don't know, I'm just talking to myself in my video. Yeah, it's fine. I may have time to do the 4 subsurface lines. If not, you'll see me on the 347 Ockington Romford bus, which is the very most least used bus service in the whole of London. Or Essex, I don't know. Square. The next station is Leicester Square. Change here for Piccadilly line. Piccadilly line. Tottenham Court Road next. So just get ready. You don't need to turn in or out here, we just need to change trains. Platforms, you know what I mean.
The next station is Tottenham Court Road. Change here for Central Line and the Elizabeth Line.
Subscribers and viewers, including you, Charlie, I'm helping a lady to get to Tottenham Court Road, Elizabeth Line. So that's why. Ready? Yeah. This train terminates at Edgware via Charing Cross. Right. 2 stops. Excellent.
The next station is Leicester Square. Change here for Piccadilly Line.
I have a feeling that Tottenham Court Road and Leicester Square are quite close. I can't be bothered to angle it properly.
The next station is Charing Cross. Change here for Bakerloo Line and National Rail services. Upon arrival, the last
Set of doors will not open.
Customers in the last carriage, please move towards the front doors to leave the train.
Actually, yeah. How empty do you think Charing Cross Northern Line station is? Well, apart from the people behind me, this is it. Quiet. Yeah, always come to like the front of the train because there's no people up here. Oh, blimey. The Sign says Charing Cross. I know. The next station, that way's Embankment, but if you go back to 1870, whatever year it was, so first called Charing Cross, then Trafalgar Square. Well, Bakerloo line came Trafalgar Square, then the Northern line came Strat, then the Second District lines changed to Charing Cross, Embankment. So did the Bakerloo line, but yeah, anyway. Then Strand became Charing Cross, then and finally in 1979 became Charing Cross.
Leicester Square. Change here for Piccadilly line.
And we're off. Oh, God, for fuck's sake. Move, you dick! No! To go this
The
way.
next station is Tottenham Road.
Again.
Change here for Central line and the Elizabeth line.
Again. To Golders Green, please mind the gap between the train and the platform. To Golders Green. Oh. God's sake.
When you see something that looks unusual, speak to a member of staff or text British Transport Police on 61016 and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
Back then this station was known as Tottenham Court Road, I think.
This station is Goodge Street.
I think a Scottish person came up with this name. So, what should we call the next station? Ah no, let's call it Good Street. Oh, right. The next station is... Robinson, 1969, 1970, I can't remember. It would have been, it could be 1969. Yeah.
This station is Warren Street. Change here for Victoria Line. This is a Northern Line train terminating at Edgware. The next station is Euston, Charing Cross branch. Change here for southbound Northern Line service via Bank from platform 6, Victoria Line and National Rail services.
Platforms are slightly staggered.
This station is Euston, Charing Cross branch. Station is Mornington Crest.
Which you can only
This is the
visit.
Northern Line train terminating at Edgware.
Which you can only visit on the Charing Cross branch.
The next station is Mornington Crest.
It's closed, I'm guessing in the 2000s, because of upgrade and refurbishment works. Then it reopened and now it's still open.
This station is Mornington Crest. This is the Northern Line train terminating at Edgware.
Because it's the afternoon, if you take off Crescent and Tun, it's actually spelled morning. They need to have another one called. They need to have another one called Afternoon Tun Crescent, and then another one Evening Tun Crescent.
The next station is Camden Town, Edgware branch. Change here for Northern Line service for all stations to High Barnet and Mill Hill East from platform 3.
Ah, Camden Town. A station where I got sort of lost, more or less.
This station is Camden Town, Edgware branch. This is the Northern Line train terminating at Edgware.
Oh God. Oh no.
The next station is Port Farm.
We all know what the next station is. It begins with B, and the only station with a Z in its name, the park, at the end. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you
The next station is Belsize Park.
When you
excellent.
see something that looks unusual, speak to a member of staff or text British Transport Police on 61016 and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
The next station is Belsize Park.
This station is Belsize Park.
See the station next year. See you next year, Belsize Park. Oh God. Ah God. There we go.
The next station is Hampstead. Upon arrival, the last set of doors will not open. Customers in the last carriage, please move towards the front doors to leave the train. This is a Northern
I'll give you a
Line
pub
train
quiz, everyone.
terminating at Edgware.
No, it might not be Heath Street. I don't know. But guess how many steps this station has?
This station is Hampstead.
Don't know it yet? Well, here's another question. It's the deepest station below ground level. So, does that give any more clues? I don't know. Well, I'll tell you. The correct answer is 320. Good luck climbing them. The next station would be Fulham Bush. But it isn't, it's because it's never open, it's never built. past Bullenbush Station. Never opened, never built, never in passenger service. Oh, actually I got a whistle for once. Always in the first carriage. I love Golders Green as well as Embankment because of please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Basically.
The next station is Golders Green. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
It'll be really interesting to see what side the doors open. Apart from on both sides, like on the middle one. It's going to be interesting. I have a feeling they're opening on the left. Oh, fair enough. To Edgware via Golders Green.